it's Deanna FDL, and I will be presenting the reading assignment for week 7, which is done by Deanne, Matthew, and Arnie. The purpose of the chapter is to read the chapter, grasp an understanding of it, and collaborate with our teammates to create a video. The broadband network and the narrowband integrated services, digital network ISDN, are multimedia networks that provide integrated analog and digital service over the same network. Narrowband ISDN is low bandwidth network that can carry to 56 kilobaud rate channels, also known as basic ISDN. Basic ISDN consists of two basic channels, B channels, 56 kilobaud rate each, combined with an 8 kilobaud signal channel, D channel. Together they are referred to as 2B plus D. The broadband network and service has contributed significantly to advances in the three network segments of WAN: access network and home/customer premises equipment CPE network. In the WAN segment, protocols used addition to IP are the asynchronous transfer mode, the synchronous optical network SONET, the synchronous digital hierarchy, and multi-protocol label switching. Broadband access technologies implemented using one of the 5 technologies: hybrid fiber coax or cable modem technology. The second technology uses a digital subscriber line. The third and fourth technologies use wireless transmission from switching office or the head into the customer premises. The fifth technology is the mobile wireless technology. Traffic engineering is concerned with the performance, optimization, and operational networks. It includes measurements, modeling, characterization, and control of the internet traffic to achieve specific performance objectives. The overlay model provides additional important services to support traffic and resource control, including constraint-based routing at the VC level, support for administratively configurable explicit VC paths compressions called emission control functions, traffic shaping and traffic policing functions, and surveillability of VCs. As defined earlier, a router capable of supporting MPLS is called label switching router. An end-to-end path of MPLS circuit is called a label switching path. The IGP has been extended to engineer intra-area and inter-area traffic MPLSTE. Route is set up by resource reservation protocol traffic engineering, and link emission control establishes tunnels that have resources. The control and data planes are separated in MPLS. This permits a variety of signaling protocol to be used for signal path. This offers flexibility for implementation of voice over IP using the legacy signaling protocol sessions initiation protocol. A label is short, fixed, lift, locally significant identifier, which is used to identify an FEC. The MPLS label is a 4-octet or 32-bit long header. It is comprised 20-bit label, 3-bit experimental, 1-bit stack indicator, and 8-bit time to live information that sequence. The label is assigned by a downstream router. The MPLS label or stack of labels inserted or shimmed between layer 2 and layer 3. The service level management is an MPLS network involves fault and performance management. The SLA between the services providers and customers also cover the performance of the LPS in the terms of latency, jitter, and packet loss, especially in real-time service provisioning. A range of MIB modules has been developed to help model and manage the various aspects of MPLS network. The MPLS set is MIBs is complex and consists of tables and managed objects that are interrelated across various MIB modules. Optical transport plays and will continue to play an important role in the future direction of telecommunication network. The transport scheme is used for WAN as well as extension of WAN to close to customer. In an MPLS network, the data planes and control planes are different. A data plane that carries the traffic is used for MPLS, OWN operation, administration, and maintenance. In other words, OWN packets follow the data path. Basics tools: LSP connectivity verification, LSP ping, LSP tracer route. Fault detect scenarios are a simple loss of connection, B misconnection, or C swap connection, mismerging, and loop and unattended replication. Hybrid fiber coaxial cables network, or HFC. These are data networks while the topology and protocol used differ between endpoints. While these HFC networks begin downstream with the Ethernet connectivity, the SS modem converts the Internet protocol to a high-frequency signal carried across the coaxial cable and converted to light to continue its journey upstream. A cable modem termination system, ultimately converting the signal back to Ethernet and continue on the network. On the Internet. Broadband wireless access network, multi-channel, multi-point distribution services, local multi-point distribution service, IEEE 802.6 WiMAX networks, fixed wireless. Basic wireless principles: propagation, line of sight, refraction, diffraction, reflection, mobile wireless network, cellular 2, 3, 4G technology protocol, TDM, TDMA, CDMA protocol systems, management issues. ASDL management is mostly transmitted the digital information with high band, dealing with the Alliance for Business/Homes. This deals with the parameter operation protocol configuration fault and the performance. The ADSL network involves management communication, subinterface of V interface, management communications, parameter operations. The basic principles for the wireless network include cellular mobile wireless is more physical things to deal with and what goes on through the wireless network. For the outdoors, one would want to consider the line of sight, path, reflection, diffraction from the ground, and moving objects scattering around from the building. Wired media and wireless media requires different things such as broadband propagation, conductivity of copper, reflection, refraction, loss of fiber, and wireless media depends on the signal strength. When it comes to the fixed broadband wireless access, it deals with the point-to-multipoint network architecture. The broadband information that has audio, video, and data is multiplexed at the service provider and carried through the WAN. This can go over the space and coverage. The multipoint media distributed services can operate at 2.5 through 2.69 gigahertz. While it carries digital information, the cables can be modified. Local multipoint distribution services operate on the K-band spectrum, also uses the 20 to 40 gigahertz band. WiMAX is generalized standard fixed wireless access point and works in the metropolitan area and implements remote area. The wireless system uses a great deal of fixed wireless system topology and wireless segments. Cellular networks are based on the neighboring cells for the different frequencies. It's communicate through foreign nodes with their own foreign agent through the internet. Some issues that come with this is location, the power, security, and broadbands. Mobile IP is a way of calling, forwarding topology. The telephone numbers are replaced with IP addresses. There are 3 types of IP functions, and there are mobile nodes, foreign nodes, and home nodes. Thank you for listening to our Week 7 reading assignment, and here goes the works cited.